फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में फ्लुएंसी बढ़ाने के लिए आपको सब्जेक्ट के बाद विल हैव, उसके बाद थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, उसके बाद ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता है। I will have spoken Telugu. Will I have spoken Telugu? I will not have spoken Telugu. You will have spoken Telugu. Will you have spoken Telugu? You will not have spoken Telugu. We will have spoken Telugu. Will we have spoken Telugu? We will not have spoken Telugu. They will have spoken Telugu. Will they have spoken Telugu? They will not have spoken Telugu. He will have spoken Telugu. Will he have spoken Telugu? He will not have spoken Telugu. She will have spoken Telugu. Will she have spoken Telugu? She will not have spoken Telugu. It will have spoken Telugu. Will it have spoken Telugu? It will not have spoken Telugu. Rahul will have spoken Telugu. Will Rahul have spoken Telugu? Rahul will not have spoken Telugu. Ayush and Khushi will have spoken Telugu. Will Ayush and Khushi have spoken Telugu? Ayush and Khushi will not have spoken Telugu.